In AP Human Geography, right now we're studying Unit 5, which is Agricultural Patterns and Practices. In this unit, we've learned about the Green Revolution and how pesticides and fertilizers have changed farming throughout the world. On our field trip to a little wild farm, we got to see from Aya and Mubin what it means to be a syntropic farm.
Conventional farming, we have length and width, that's it. But with syntropic, we think about how high do we have? How long do these trees and species live? Understanding the height and sunlight requirement of the trees.
We walked around the farm from the various stages, and we got to see from where the palm oil trees still stand to a plot of land that is 7 years old. And in this plot, they have trees that are growing together, nurturing, and a lot of biodiversity happening. And we got to ask Will, who's one of the founders, some questions that relate to our unit in AP Human Geography.
80% of Malaysia's agricultural land looks a little bit like this, except imagine no grass, no shrubs, everything underneath very, very cleared, and then only the palm. This landscape reflects Malaysia's history of deforestation. The way that this palm has been farmed is very harmful to the environment. We can tell actually first by observing the soil. One of the important things about living soil, there should be softness, but on very degraded land, it's very compacted. We're passing around a leaf that is used for fermentation in local food. All of what is on both sides of this path has grown wild, and because it's growing on land that is healing, a lot of the plants that come are medicines for the soil, but they're also medicines for humans.
We've also been learning about how we can be ethical consumers and some of the challenges that come in contemporary farming, and as consumers, our role in buying local and learning about our local environment.
This is organic palm oil. You can eat it raw. It's very nutritious, and you'll know that it's fresh because it's orange. We've probably all consumed a little bit of palm oil coming here today. It's also in our toothpaste, chocolate, now in local butters. A lot of what we buy in the store for like our fried stuff, it's all refined. So palm oil gets a bad rep because it's considered unhealthy, but only when it's unrefined does it start to produce some of the unhealthy effects. When you eat it like this, it's really healthy.
On this field trip, I was really impressed with my students' engagement. Throughout our tour with Aya and Mubin, I really heard my students make connections to some vocabulary words that we've talked about in class, like monocropping or pesticides, and they asked genuine questions about how it's affected the farm, or they asked questions about the income and how their farm is sustainable.
How you guys prevent the plant not got eaten by the insects?
Insect is a messenger for us.
We don't see anything as an enemy, even the bugs that come to eat the food. We try to see, okay, what are you trying to tell us? Like in the morning, when we go into the plot, there's a lot of spiders. We could be like, spiders. Or we could be like, yes, okay, they're coming to build up the biodiversity of the ecosystem.
It was also really great. Some of them said it was their first trip to the farm, so I was just impressed by their energy and their eagerness to get out, touch the soil in their hands, try some new fruits, chop down a banana tree and use the bark to water the plants, and just their genuine curiosity, which is what I want them to have coming away from this field trip.
We just hope that you take one invitation away, which is to see that humans are inseparable from nature. And when we take care of nature around us, nature takes care of us.
I also hope that my students understand our planet Earth a little bit more and just have a little bit more love for our planet and how we can care for it and regenerate what it once was instead of cutting everything down.